the cotton candy from Adore. I already have my bucket filled with the hot water. I'm going to put that in there, and I also have my wig. It's coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go. Let's get it going. Alright, so just after you've put the Adore in the bucket, just continue to stir. And once it gets into a liquid format, you can add more. Alright, so I'm going to take a piece from the frontal of the 613 unit that I made, and I'm going to dip it in the bucket to see what color I will achieve if I don't add any more Adore semi-permanent to it now. Alright, so this is what we came out with. It's pretty light, but it's almost there, but it's not. So I'm gonna add some more. Alright, so I'm gonna add the rest of the Adore in the water, and then I'm going to stir. Stirring is very important just to make sure that you get a good consistency before putting your bundles, wigs in the actual watercolor method, and it doesn't clunk up and look crazy. So once I'm done stirring, I'm just going to test it with the little piece that I had from after I made the wig to see if it was the color that I was looking for. And yeah, looks good. What you think? Yeah, we're good to go. Alright, so now that we have the unit inside the bucket, you want to put it in there and just continue to dunk it and lay it flat. And just continue to, pick it up, put it in the water, just to help get it through the entire amount of the hair. Now, you also want to comb through it. Combing through it allows it to distribute evenly. I'm going for like a pastel kind of look, so I don't want to leave it in there for too long because I still want some of the blonde to be showing. So this is what we came out with. All right, and here is the final color. And before you say anything about the black thread, I know. I shouldn't use the black thread, but I wanted to get the wig done for Valentine's Day tomorrow. Now, here we go. Looks good. Different dimensions of the pink. So drop some comments below and let me know what you think in regards to the finished color. Any feedback or any best practices, let your girl know. All right, I'm going to let our air dry, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And don't forget to like and subscribe.